Hi friends, today I'm showing you the Wolf Moon children safety no finger pinch foam door stopper. These are colorful cartoon animal cushion, random bundled baby child, Cushiony finger hand safety. These are the curve shaped door stop card. This is a 5-piece set of the foam. You see these come in the individually wrapped plastic. You can just remove and see the paint and the quality is good. It's very firm and holds well. The printing is also very nice and crisp. There's no issue with the color print and stuff, but you have to just hang it on the door on the top or the side. I will show you that later on. Right now you can see that all the different colors and the different shapes and print that comes with this. So this can be random 5 pieces. This is the giraffe print. It's all of the same quality, different designs. So total 5 pieces, and you can see I put it on the top of my door. You can put on the side as well, and when I'm closing the door, it's it's making some gap in between, so the baby finger will not come and pinch. Nice.